Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil Toyota Corolla 2015 easy method. Begin by parking on a level surface with the parking brake engaged and engine off. Lift the front with jack stands under recommended lift points and remove the oil cap to aid drainage. Place a drain pan under the plug, loosen the plug with a 14 mm socket, and let the oil drain completely before removing the filter. Park and cool the car, then jack up the front and secure it on stands for safety. Slide a drain pan under the oil pan and loosen the drain plug with a 14 mm socket, easing the plug until oil flows. Remove the plug fully and let the oil drain until it slows to a drip. Inspect and replace the drain washer if needed, then briefly clean the plug before reinstalling. While oil drains, loosen and remove the old oil filter using a filter wrench, being ready for additional oil to spill. Prep the new filter by coating its gasket with fresh oil and thread it on until snug, then give it a quarter turn by hand. Reinstall the drain plug securely, lower the car, and pour in 4 quarts of the recommended oil. Start the engine, check for leaks, and verify the dipstick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.